Hello and welcome back to the TV show What Could Go Wrong, where we do stupid things and then have even stupider safety procedures, because stupider is a word. Grammar. Okay, wait. That's not what grammar is. Whatever. It's me, the head person, and Ian, right here. He's T-posing in my backyard for whatever reason. Why are you T-posing? Okay, anyways. Oh, okay. And we're showcasing our new...
Powder.
electric, okay, we're showcasing the new electric fence, okay? If you don't remember, that was the old electric fence over there. It was kind of bad because it was tiny, it always leaked energy, and it only covered one plant.
It sucked.
Yeah, but this one, yeah, it sucked. Covers the entire garden, so Mr. Hammond, I don't know where he went, can't get in. Now, power will not...
Milo.
Word to Milo, yeah, she's actually the one who tramples it. Yep. You will never get in again, dog. At least without not braving the shock. But now, the old issue with the fence was that power was always leaking from this system, which really sucked. But that won't happen now because of these new insulators I bought off Amazon a couple days ago. So what these do is since plastic is an insulator, it keeps the power from escaping from the wire to the pole where it goes into the ground and shorts. These are really good professional insulators I bought off Amazon for a couple bucks, and I bought a box of 100, which is way too many. So now I'm going to pass things off to Mr. Cameraman Ian, okay?
All right.
While I demonstrate the fence here.
All right, have fun.
I don't know where I set the remote. All right, right
Set
here.
it, yeah,
So,
you set it there.
let me showcase our control system. So right here, this is our remote, okay? It's 15 out of 15. This button triggers the fence.
Okay, 15 volts.
No, it's not volts.
Volts.
It's not.
Volts.
Ow, please don't blind me.
Okay, anyway.
But it's not volts.
Okay.
It's different level. But this is up and down power, okay?
All right.
So now it's at 15 max, okay? And so the fence is live right now.
Okay.
And so this is positive and this is negative. So what's going to happen here is so the arcs are going to jump from this to this, okay? And so right now the fence is live. As you can see, I'm pressing and holding down the button. So whatever connects the circuit between... Ow!
Bro.
Okay, I turned it off. But now, okay, careful now.
Don't touch the freaking metal.
Yeah, okay.
Like you
So
did
now-
last time.
Here, cameraman, zoom in on this. Okay? Get real close. So we're going to make some arcs. Ow. Okay. Here we are. Fence, why are you not working?
Because fence don't want to work.
Alright, come over here. That's a stupid fence.
Too lazy.
Yeah, you know what? Let's just wait, that's bad. Okay, so now, here, we're going to try this. I don't know if you can see this on the camera.
They can.
We're making some pretty big arcs from this fence in these two. So as you may, from deductive reasoning and from my scream previously, touching this hurts. When it's on 15, it hurts. Your life will rapidly reduce in pleasantness for as long as you're touching this. So now, yeah, that pretty much sums up our electric fence. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
Whoa!